In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Otter AI name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your display name shows up correctly in meetings, shared notes, and transcriptions. Start by opening your web browser and going to otter.ai. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use Otter for both personal and work purposes. Once you're on the home page, look to the top left of the screen for your profile icon. It may appear as your photo or as a circle with your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This is where Otter keeps the controls for your profile, preferences, and other account details. Inside Settings, find and select the General section. General is the hub for your basic profile information, including your name. On the General page, look for your name details and click Edit. This opens the profile editor so you can update how your name appears across Otter. Before you type, consider how you want your name to display to collaborators. Using standard capitalization, including your full first and last name, and avoiding extra punctuation helps others recognize you in shared notes and live transcripts. If your organization uses a specific naming convention, match that format here. Now, change the full name field to the name you want others to see. This is the name that appears in shared conversations, notes you distribute, and your profile across the platform. Keep it professional and avoid adding private information you wouldn't want visible to others. If your name includes special characters or accents, Otter generally supports them, so feel free to enter it exactly as you prefer it to be displayed. When you're satisfied, click Finish to save your changes. Otter will apply the update to your account, and you should see your new name reflected in your profile area. It may take a moment for the change to appear everywhere, but it will carry through to future transcripts and shared items. If you're part of a team or workspace, keep in mind that some organizations enforce naming policies. In those cases, your admin settings may control or standardize display names. That's all you need to do. You went to Otter, opened your profile menu, navigated to Account Settings, entered the General section, chose Edit, updated your full name, and saved with Finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you present the right name in every Otter conversation going forward.